You may already know Hydroviv for its Shark Tank appearance and its proactive help during the Flint water crisis. Apart from the undersink, they offer fridge filters too. But is it really good or just piggybacking on brand value? We'll dive into the fridge filter's contaminant removal capabilities, compatibility with different refrigerators, and ease of installation and maintenance to find out if it's truly worth your money. So, without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll get links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with contaminant removal. Hydroviv fridge filters utilize a sophisticated blend of activated carbons, effectively eliminating chloramine and chlorine from your water. Plus, they're NSF certified for standard 42, ensuring top-notch quality and taste improvement. But here's the catch. Hydroviv fridge filters can't remove big bad guys like arsenic, PFAS, or lead. For those, you'll need to opt for their under-sink filter system. Next up, compatibility. Hydroviv hasn't specified which exact refrigerators it is compatible to, but it should work with almost all popular fridges considering its easy installation and placement. With that, let's examine its ease of installation. Whether you have a plastic line or a stainless steel braided line, installation takes hardly 10 minutes. Hydroviv provides 2 installation videos for each on their official website to guide you through the process. However, Hydroviv doesn't include tubing with their fridge line system, so if you're using a standard plastic PVC line, you'll need to cut into it and install it on either end of the filter using the razor and fittings provided. For those with a flexible, jacketed stainless steel line, an additional line purchase may be necessary. Here's the best part. The system doesn't need to stand upright and can even lean at an angle or lay on its side. So you can put it in a crawl space or on top of the fridge as long as the housing and lid are fully tightened. Coming to its maintenance. The fridge filter comes with a lifespan of 8 to 9 months or 720 gallons, depending on your usage and water quality. If your water flow rate has reduced, maybe it's time to swap. Now, there's a lot to say when it comes to cons. First, there's a recent surge in customer complaints about Hydroviv along with its hefty price tag. Second, while Hydroviv provides helpful video guides for installation, some users have noted the absence of written instructions. So in the end, if you ask me, you may buy the Hydroviv fridge filter, but there are much better budget-friendly options like WaterDrop, which we reviewed earlier in our best fridge filter video. So check that out now and I'll see you there. Cheers!